I've been all over Macon, Georgia, and I'm hot and tired, but I'll tell you one thing. This is the greatest house you've ever seen. Look at this kitchen. You've got a Wolf stove oven, fantastic. Sub-Zero stainless steel refrigerator. Crushed ice, just like the new way, Macon, Georgia. Let me tell you something. This kitchen has been completely redone. Everything about this house, all the hardwood floors have been completely redone. Great color. They have expanded all over this house. It's fantastic. 165 Howard Oaks. You have never had or seen a greater house than this. You've got a pool. You've got a carriage house. You've got a one-level wonder. You've been looking for it. The price is $715. It is in the best location in Macon, Georgia. And that's where I want to see you, in Macon, Georgia, in this house. Call me. Call JoJo. 478-731-1302. Got it? Call me.